Hey everybody, welcome back to Life of Ashmit, and today we are gonna learn Python again. This is the part 6 of Python tutorial for absolute beginners. So without any further ado, let's get started. Today we are gonna learn about if statements. Now, if statements are like clauses. They can like what if like I'm saying anything at this point, but I'll just show you the code because uh, like uh, like the people who are programmers, why do they need to talk? They just need to show the code and go ahead with it. So I'm just gonna do it. Now, first of all, you create a variable like age equals uh, int input. Now int is important as we have to if we don't write the data type along with it will not be able to like print, and it will throw us with an error. That's the thing. Today I'm really feeling the like, as it is New Year, I suppose. And by the way, Happy New Year. Whatever. This was a very quick intro, but I don't know. I just enter your name. I'm just surging up with energy and writing enter your names, a name, and doing typos like this. But whatever. Enter your age. It is. Yeah. So age equals input, enter your age. This is basically telling the user to enter his age, or else his or her age, or else he's gonna like perish. Not really, I'm just making things up right now. So whatever. Now to write an if statement, you just need to write if. Then you need to write age is suppose age is less than 18. So we are considered as a child according to law. So we are gonna just write print 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 you are a child. So let's go. You are a child. Easy peasy. Now let's just test this code, because why not? Why not? So now if we enter our age, that is around 13 years old. So we ask them to print age is less than 18. So it should print you are a child, like it has done right now, and it is doing it. Obviously it's printing again and again. So that's the thing, and that's how you make an if clause. uh, Now else means that if the age is more than 18 or is equal to 18. Actually, let's just don't use an else statement, else for that, else clause, whatever you call it, whatever you want to call it. If age is more than or equal to 18, then oh, I by mistake I executed the code. So whatever, I don't care. Print. My keyboard must be thinking that what is he what what is this madman doing with me, as I'm like I'm not writing things correctly. So whatever, I don't care about my keyboard. I don't care about this world. I don't care about anybody. I just care about the code, and that's the thing. So you are an adult. Yeah. So that's the thing. Now I'm humming. I don't know why. Weird processes are going on in my body. Okay. So now if the age will be exceeding 18, so or is equal to 18, then it will be printing you are an adult. Like this you can add multiple clauses to these things. All right. And now if you want to create another thing, another clause, like if age is over 100, over or equal to 100, if age is over or equal to 100, not 10, 100. Yeah, print. Yeah. Oh my god, why don't I have end keys on this keyboard? I don't know why. I guess it is compact, that's why it's a compact keyboard. Well, tell me in the comments if I have, if you want a setup tour, so I'll be giving it to you. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much this is a god setup, and I just want to thank you all for all the support you have been showing to me lately. Not much, I know that, just 100 subscribers, 105 subscribers in 2 years, but those 106 106 comments, those 81 likes, they mean the world to me. So thank you for all that. You are an old person, go take some rest. You're gonna make funny clauses like this so I can get more views. That's a big strat. Go take some rest. Some rest. Yeah, that's how we do it. Yeah. So now to do another thing, you need to do something uh, uh, like let me think about it. First of all, let's just pause the recording so I can think about my idea. All right. So we're gonna think about it and pause the recording for now. So stand. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. So I thought of an idea, and that idea is that I'm gonna make a thingy. I don't know what to call it. I have just come up with a prototype, so I don't really know anything. So let's just make a variable called phone battery equals uh, equals wait a second, I forgot the basic rules of Python. That is that whenever you make a two variable that is more than one word long, then you need to put an underscore so that it works. Alright, phone battery is equal to uh, uh, int input. This is a very useless thing, but I'm just making it to show you, just to show you. Alright, int input. Uh, now we are gonna write what is your phone battery percentage. Is your phone's battery percentage. Phone's battery percentage. Now if now we are gonna use an if statement. If phone battery. Now to minimize the amount of work you have to do, you can just write pb and c and just enter. Yeah, if phone battery is more than 99%, more than or equal to 99%, print print uh, print just go chill, just go chill and play games and do intensive tasks. Intensive tasks. I put a lot of hands in there, so that's gonna keep me covered. Yeah. Else uh, else print. Yeah. Else doesn't require any sort of indent, so you need to take care of that. Yeah, that should be enough. Else print. Oh, oh my god. Oh my, like that. Oh my god. Oh my god. My battery percentage is so low. Oh my god. Oh my god. Charge your phone. 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 That should be pretty good. Yeah. So now when we enter a value, like below 99% percent, so then it will not be able to do anything. And like that's how your phone gets when that's what your phone gets for being such a nasty print. Wait a second, what kind of invalid syntax did I use? File, wait a second, problems. Yeah, no problems have been detected. What kind of problem basically? I can't really. Oh, at line 1? Line 1, you say? I think it's some sort of. Uh, yeah, it's going to delete all the Python file and kill the console itself. So, kill the terminal. Yeah, so it's working perfectly. Not really, I suppose, because the thing was supposed to be made of phone battery rather than uh, print. Uh, Now why? Why is this not working? What is your phone's battery percentage? Why is this not working? Wait a second. Now I just need to comment this out, and I suppose this should be working. But why is it causing errors? I don't know that. Don't really know that. For int, invalid literal for int. Invalid literal for int. Int input, just go chill. And what's the problem in this one? I already told you that I'm not a professional coder, unlike all of those tutorials, so you can't really trust me with it, can you now? Line 2, it's telling me about line 2, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I got it. Why did I not comment this all of this out? I don't know. Yeah, now it's working. See, you see. Now if my phone battery percentage is at 99%, so it will say just go chill and play games and do intensive tasks. Yeah, and now if I print like 1% or 98% or something, OMG, charge your phone. It's saying like that. So else it's perfectly working. Yeah, and that's pretty much it about if and else statements. So I guess this is goodbye. Sayonara, and happy new year once again, I guess. And I got a video